Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about if your ads need to exit a learning phase to be successful, or is it just a bullshit? Okay, what is learning phase? Basically a Facebook learning phase, it means that till you get, let's say, 50 conversions, then you are in learning phase and basically your ad set is optimizing and getting all the data, right? And once you get those 50 conversions, then you can exit learning phase and your ad set is like ready, right? And well, is it like a bullshit, or do you really need to get those 50 conversions, to like make money on Facebook, to be successful, to make your ads successful? Well, at least, from reality and spending like tens of millions of dollars on Facebook ads since like 2014, I can tell you right now that the learning phase is complete bullshit, because you can kind of like debunk it in like a second, right? So if you are going in Facebook way and you are always using, let's say, CBO, like campaign budget optimization, now they call it differently, or you are just using like a huge budget, right, in each ad set, let's say that you have like a $300 or $200 per one ad set, because I've seen it a lot that marketers do it. And this is like a one way that you can go. This is like a Facebook way, using big budget ad sets. Or if you go in, let's say, my way and like way of a lot of other marketers, is going with like a small budget way, right? So let's say that we are talking here about like a $20 or $30 per ad set, per budget. And we never use CBO. We always try to manage our own ad set. And well, if you are going with Facebook way, then yeah, it's absolutely possible to like exit the learning phase, right? If something is working, then it's possible to like very quickly get 50 conversions on ad set to exit learning phase for that specific ad set. But if you're going my way and you are, let's say, having like thousands of ad sets that are active at the same time per day, so you really like test through thousands of different audiences. If you are selling a product that, let's say, is $45 or $79 or whatever, and you are using $20 or $30 ad sets per day, it's very unlikely that this ad set will actually get 50 conversions in very short window, right? In most cases, all those ad sets that I have literally, that they were not able to exit learning phase and that learning phase will stop. But does it really mean these ad sets are not converting? Well, absolutely not, right? They are completely killing it, right? I mean, I have ad sets that are running for months and they never exit learning phase. Even they have like over 50, conversions, but they just didn't get it in that Facebook, like a window that they basically require for that exiting of the learning phase. And they are like 3 ROAS, 4 ROAS, 2 ROAS, they are profitable every day, right? I mean, I have also like a lot of ad sets that have big budget and they exit learning phase successfully and they are complete shit, right? And they are absolutely not working. So, to be honest, if you know how to manage actually ad sets, right, you can actually, find a way how we manage ad sets in my book, Facebook and Launch Guide for E-commerce. You will find there how to create custom rules to know when to stop what ad sets, right, and how to actually keep everything profitable. Well, basically, if you have those rules, it doesn't really matter if you have like that learning phase, successfully finished or not, because you are anyway always try to optimize on like a 2-day or 3-day data, right? So it doesn't really matter if you are in learning phase or not. I mean, only thing that matters is like is this ad set making money or not, right? Is it in profit or not? And if it's not in profit, then who cares about learning phase? And if it's in the profit and making tons of money, then who cares about learning phase, right? And this is actually a similar thing for a lot of different, Facebook rules that, let's say that with high frequency, or if you have, for example, audience overlap, right? Like who cares if your ad sets have like audience overlap if they are like 4 hours? So yeah, literally everything that has something to do with Facebook ads and managing your Facebook ads, dealing with numbers, always come down to common sense, right? Is this making money or not? If not, kill it. If yes, like pray to all gods, and let it run, and try to like recreate those ad sets like multiple times, to have like more, awesomely working things that are constantly making money, right? So this is my opinion, when it comes to learning phase. It's like absolutely useless, metric, same as audience overlap or, frequency. If it's making money, do it, If it's not making money, who cares, right? Only thing that matters, if if that ad set is making money or not. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and like I said, definitely download the book. And I basically wrote it for e-commerce owners, right? So let's say that you want to launch ads and you don't have really, experience. So this way you will be able to actually launch it, with like tons of our own advanced strategies. Like let's say, like you will see like step by step how we run Facebook ads, till basically $50,000 in profitable ad spend, right? Or if you, for example, have agency and well, you would like to know if they are actually working like properly, right? And they are not slacking and actually taking it easy, or like completely, like failing in a job, then definitely also download the book, because you will be able to, from those knowledge in the book, kind of like find out, what's, like their status. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in tomorrow one. So definitely subscribe, and bye for now.